Are you ready to take your career in data to the next level? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about becoming a Power BI architect. From designing data models to optimizing performance and security, this guide will give you all the insights you need to thrive in this high-demand role. Let's dive in. A Power BI architect isn't just a report builder. They're the key to shaping an organization's entire data strategy. They ensure the design, performance, and security of the company's data systems while helping business teams unlock powerful insights. Here are some of the core responsibilities of a Power BI architect. 1. Designing and implementing the overall Power BI architecture. 2. Managing premium capacity and optimizing resource allocation. 3. Defining data access strategies and enforcing security standards. 4. Collaborating with stakeholders and promoting a self-service Power BI culture. As a Power BI architect, you're in charge of premium capacity management, resource allocation, and monitoring. You'll also need to configure Azure AD groups, manage gateways, pipelines, and data flows. It's your job to keep the Power BI infrastructure running like a well-oiled machine. Data governance is critical to ensure secure and compliant reporting. As an architect, you'll enforce data security, manage access controls, and track data lineage to meet regulatory standards and protect sensitive information. A big part of your role will be working closely with business stakeholders. By promoting a self-service Power BI culture, you'll empower teams to create their own reports while reducing the IT team's workload. As an expert in Power BI, you'll design complex data models that are optimized for performance, scalability, and security. This includes mastering DAX formulas, Power Query transformations, and building models that grow with the organization. Power BI is constantly evolving. Features like Microsoft Fabric and Power BI Copilot can help you stay ahead. Keep up with the latest updates to unlock new capabilities for your organization. Part of being a Power BI architect is mentoring junior developers and ensuring they follow best practices. You'll also need to create technical documentation to standardize processes and maintain data integrity across teams. To excel in this role, you'll need strong Power BI administration skills, experience with Azure SQL Server, and knowledge of data governance and security. Soft skills like communication and stakeholder management are just as critical for collaborating across teams. If you're looking to advance your career and become a Power BI architect, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and stay tuned for more tips, tutorials, and updates on mastering Power BI. Comment below with your thoughts or questions, and let's build a community of Power BI experts. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos on Power BI best practices, data modeling tips, and dashboard design.